Trade Complementarity Index helps to measure how two trading partners complement each other. It helps in understanding to what extent export basket of one trading partner matches with the import basket of the other partner. Value of Trade Complementarity Index ranges from 0 to 100. A score of 0 indicates that both the partners do not complement each other, whereas a score of 100 indicates that both the partners complement each other. Moreover, a high index may indicate that two countries may evaluate prospects for further bilateral trade between both the countries as they may benefit from more trade. TCI is very useful in evaluating trade between existing and prospective members of regional trade agreements as it provides vital information on how export and import profile of the members countries match. The formula to calculate trade complementarity index is TCIJ is equal to 100, 1 minus sum of absolute values of M jk minus xik divided by 2, where TCIJ is the trade complementarity index between two countries I and J. MJK is share of commodity K in countries J total import at 4-digit level within 2-digit sector. XIK is share of commodity K in country I's total export at 4-digit level within 2-digit sector. This table provides information on India's trade complementarity index with select countries for all the products traded between both the countries. As can be observed from the table, India's export basket matches with import basket of Spain, Switzerland, Kenya, Pakistan, whereas import basket of India does not match with the export basket of Afghanistan, Switzerland, Pakistan, Kenya, and Argentina. Countries like Hong Kong, Russia, China, Canada, US partially complement in their trade profile with India. In this session, we will also learn how to extract TCI from WITS website. So after registering at the website, click Advanced Query and then select Trade Outcome Indicators. Select New Query and give name to the query. In the example, query name is TCI India. There should not be blank space in the query name. Give a brief description to the query name. In this case, the description of query is TCI of India. Next, select the Trade Indicator group. Trade Complementarity Index is in Orientation and Growth group. Select Run for Individual Indicator and then select Trade Complementarity Index. HS2012 is selected under Product Classification. Select India as the reporter or exporting country. For trade flow with export, select Use Mirror Export Data and then click on Proceed. After clicking Proceed, a new screen will appear. Click on Select to select the partner. From the list of countries, select the other partner for determining TCI between two countries. In this case, China is selected as partner to calculate TCI between both the countries. After selecting the country, click the arrow so that name of the country appears in the country list on the right hand side. After selecting the country, click on Proceed. Select desired year for study. Select the year and click on the arrow button to move year to the selected years window on the right hand side. After selecting year, click on Proceed. In this case, 2018 is selected as year of study. After selecting partner and year, click on Submit. A new web page will appear after clicking Submit. Status of the query will be visible under View and Request Download option. Refresh screen if the query is not visible on the web page. Click on View to see the result on your screen. Click on Download and then on Save option. The Excel file will be saved in the Download folder of your computer. After selecting View option and Save option, a window will appear to define the template of the report. In this case, you can see that trade complementarity index between India and China is 54.09, which means that the export basket of India matches with the import basket of China partially. You can do similar exercise for other countries and see the trade complementarity index. Thank you.